Do you often feel stuck? Do you feel that you are not making any progress in your English language, even though you are working really hard to improve? If yes, keep watching because this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Hafiz Salman and welcome back to Easy English. Welcome back to those who are already here and welcome to the people who are here for the very first time. Thank you very much for being here. Today, I wanted to talk about that why do we often feel that we are not making any progress, any improvement while learning English language. It happens with almost every one of us, including me, that we feel that we are stuck, even if we are doing every possible thing in our hands to get better at English. So today I will share some of the reasons that stop us from improving our English language, and I will give you the solution that how can you fix this problem. The first reason is that we actually don't set a clear goal, which ultimately leads to the lack of motivation. So we feel that we are not motivated enough because we don't set a clear goal. Just think about a car, a vehicle without a destination. So a car without destination can go nowhere. Same happens with us. A person, a human being, a learner with no clear goal can go nowhere. So this is the problem, that we feel stuck and we feel that we are not making any progress. We are not going any further we are not actually, improving in our English language. So the first thing you need to do is to set a clear goal, and please don't set a target that is too big and enormous to achieve. Divide your goal into smaller chunks. Break your goals down into months and weeks and days so that you easily get them. The number two reason that we feel stuck is that we consume too much of the content in our local language. So there is one thing that is consumption and there is another thing that is production. So we produce what we consume. So if we are sitting on our couch watching everything in our local language, consuming Urdu or whatever language we speak in our daily life, so how can we improve our English? This is as simple as it is. If you want to improve your English, please start consuming content in English language. Number three reason for today is that, and this is, I guess, the most important of all of them, that we don't dedicate enough time to our language learning. We think that we can just learn a language by giving it 1 hour per week. So it doesn't go this way. It doesn't happen this way. It's a lifelong process. It's a very long journey that we need to be on to get good at English. So just promise yourself today that you will spend at least 10 minutes every single day. And it makes how many hours a week? Just calculate it. And how many hours a month? Just think about it. And this is the right time and right technique to learn anything. If I take my own example, and if I think about it, how did I learn English language? I am reminded of the short steps and the time I dedicated to English language. It took me years and years to learn English. I'm still learning. I'm still learning with you people, learning new words, new structures, new phrases, new vocabulary words, new idioms and phrases every single day. And I try to use them. So it is a humble request. Please, if you really want to, if you're serious about learning English language, just dedicate enough time to this language. So the first thing you need to do, you need to set a clear goal that you want to achieve. The second thing is to consume content in the target language, the language you want to learn. And the third thing, and the most important of all, is that you should dedicate enough time to language learning. So remember this quote, a well-set goal is half achieved. If your target is well set, you are already halfway to achieve your goal. Thank you very much for watching this video.